Behind the Mask. Hi, I'm Giselle, 21 years old. I don't know how to express my emotions here, but this story was based on what I experienced. I'm tired of pretending to be happy. My life isn't as perfect as it seemed on social media or seeing me laugh every day. Growing up, I felt like I was never good enough. My parents' expectation weighed heavily on me. As I grew older, my mental health began to deteriorate. I struggled with depression, thinking that what if I end up with nothing? What if I can't give the life they deserve? I'm just a girl that seems too weak, always gets sick. I was also one of the people experiencing to be bullied since I was a kid. All I can respond is smile because this is me. But in silence, insecurity is killing me softly. But it's okay, that's life. But I've reached a turning point. I'm taking control of my life, seeking help, and learning to love myself. I'm still on this journey, but I'm no longer hiding a mask. I'm embracing my true self, flaws and all. If they don't accept what I am today, well, that's not my problem either. Because despite all the challenges, I learned to love myself more than anything. But before I end up this story, let me tell you something. I have also hurt. I can feel. I also hurt. If my imperfection bother you, well, that's not my problem. Mind your own business. So do I. Thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's!